Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is essential for anyone looking into the world of data science and choosing the right programming language. If you are not aware about the data science, do check out our last video showing at the top. So these are the libraries that can be helpful in the data science area: Python, R, C++, Scala and SQL. Now let's walk through and understand the purpose of each and every programming language. First is Python. Python syntax is clear, concise, and beginner-friendly. Its readability reduces the debugging time in data-driven projects. Why for data science? Python's seamless integration with other technologies further enhances its appeal. Whether you are working with big data tools like Apache Spark or deploying any machine learning models like TensorFlow or PyTorch, Python offers robust interface that facilitates smooth integration and scalability. Apart from that, you can use NLTK for natural language processing and some scientific libraries like Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, and etc. Next, we have R language. R excels in statistical analysis, offering a wide array of functions for conducting hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and more. Its robust statistical capabilities making it indispensable for researchers and analysts exploring complex datasets. It produces plots and graphics that are ready for publication down to the correct mathematical notation and formulas. Next language we have is Scala. Spark's ability to handle large-scale data processing and analytics makes Scala a preferred choice for data scientists working with big data. It supports for functional programming and concurrency through libraries like Ikka. It runs on the JVM Java Virtual Machines, which gives it access of Java libraries and big data platforms like Hadoop. Scala's libraries such as Breeze for numerical computing and Spark MLlib for scalable machine learning algorithms can be used. Next language we have C++. C++ is ideal for algorithms that requires maximal computational speed and minimal memory overhead. It has an ability to fine-tune performance at areas such as numerical simulations and high-frequency trading. C++ support for multi-threading and parallel computing. Data scientists can leverage STL for tasks such as sorting, searching, and managing complex data structures. C++ is really helpful with real-time processing and strict performance benchmarks such as aerospace, finance for algorithm training, gaming, and scientific research. Next, we have Julia. It is designed from the ground up for numerical and scientific computing. It combines the easy use of languages like Python or C++. Julia excels in parallel computing, leveraging multiple cores and distributed computing environments seamlessly. This capability is crucial for handling large datasets and making Julia an excellent choice for data science. Packages like DataFrames.jl for data manipulation, Plots.jl for visualization, and Flux.jl for deep learning showcase Julia's expanding capabilities. Next, we have SQL. SQL structured query language serves as the foundation for interacting with relational databases. Data scientists use SQL to retrieve, manipulate, and manage vast data sets efficiently. It can be extended with modern data warehouse and big data platforms Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, and Apache Hive. Data scientists often use SQL for data preparation and processing tasks before applying statistical analysis, machine learning algorithm, and visualization technique. So these all the languages we have. Now, how do you prefer the right language for your data science journey? Consider the factors like ease of learning, community support, and library availability. Python's vast ecosystem may be perfect for versatility, while R's statistical focus suits specific needs. Ultimately, the choice depends on your project requirement and career goal. Dive into tutorials, online courses, and real-world projects to gain hands-on experience. Which one will you master first? Let me know in the comments below. In next video, we will discuss important tools for data science. Meanwhile, I will be sharing the list of libraries required for data science corresponding to each programming language. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do it now. Hit that bell icon for more insights into the world of data science. Until next time, happy learning.